Today we are in a very beautiful place. That's Miko, that's the Oracle CloudWorld Tour. Cloud is not only a technology, it's a lot about innovation, sustainability, and support.
There's just some fantastic messages around cloud, Gen AI, and what's happening in the product set.
You could get the feeling of the innovation and the technology trends.
We have the opportunity to see features and functionalities provided by Oracle Cloud.
I think it's brilliant. You get to hear from product development, you get to hear real-life examples from customers and meet lots of the execs. I really wasn't aware of just how much Gen AI was built into the product.
An incredible opportunity for networking, for collaboration, and to learn a lot around the innovations in cloud.